Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since this video is all about that smoking hot smoky eye tutorial, let's just jump into the video. So whenever we do this intense eye makeup, always advised to start with eyes. For starting with the eyes, I'm going to use this primer from Krylon, and then on top of it I'm going to use the concealer. The concealer that I'm using is from Tarte. Tarte gives amazing and intense coverage. That's why I'm going to use Tarte. You guys can use any concealer that is available with you. I'm blending this concealer with the small beauty blender like this. Next up, I am using MAC Studio Fix foundation powder with the shade of C4. I'm just going to use the brush and just emulsify the product all over my eyes. Next, I'm going to start with eyebrows first. So for this, I'm going to use Europe Girl, and I'm using this eyebrow palette. You guys can use eyebrow pencil also. So when I'm using this eyebrow palette, the darker shade that I'm going to use is from mids to ends, and from the start of the eyebrow. For that, I'm going to use a lighter shade or whatever the product that is pending on your brush, that you can use it in front. So don't start from the front because it's going to get really heavy. Now the most important step for the smoky eye makeup, which we're going to give you like super quick eye makeup, I'm going to use this kohl from PAC. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid, just the lower eyelid, and I'm just going to make it more intense. जितना इंटेंस आपको आपका आई मेकअप चाहिए, स्मोकी आइज चाहिए, उतना इंटेंस आप अपना कोल यूज़ करोगे. ठीक है. आफ्टर यूजिंग दैट, I'm just going to use the black eyeshadow, whichever palette that you have. Just apply it on top of it and start blending it. It's going to give you that intense smoky eye look. Plus it has kohl, so it's going to give that depth to the eyes. So as you can see how I'm emulsifying it and blending it. Spend time in blending. Yes, whatever the product, whenever you take from the palette, just make sure you remove the excess product, otherwise वो आपके पूरे under eye में गिर जाता है. Over here what I'm doing is I'm taking this dark brown color and I'm just going to blend on top of the black eyeshadow that I've used. So I'm just going to use on the crease line, if you can see, and I'm just giving the depth to my eye makeup, to that smoky eyes even more. So that's how I'm going to create this intense black brown smoky eye effect with the help of kohl. It is very quick and it is very easy. If you'll just use the black eyeshadow, it's going to spread. It might take a lot of time, but with this it's going to be really quick. Now after that, I'm just going to add the kajal, and it's in the waterline, by the way. Plus I'm adding to the lower lash line as well, and I'll just blend it with the brush. You can see this brush. I'm going to link down the brush number, and that's how I'm going to blend it and create the lower lash line eyeshadow as well. And just blend it with your upper eyeshadow so that it looks very blended. It shouldn't look like two different eyeshadows. Now, as we have to start with our skin makeup, before that it is important for you to clean your skin properly, तो जो makeup residue रहेगा वो निकल जाएगा. Before starting with the skin, one thing that you really forgot, that is our lashes. So before applying lashes, I'm just gonna shape the lashes, and the lashes that I'm using over here is from PAC with the name of 54. These are my favorite lashes. It doesn't give too much of lashes look and doesn't give too less. For my eyes, it is really proper. I'm going to use the mascara, which is from Lakme Iconic. It's a good mascara, reasonable mascara. You can use it on everyday basis also. So I'm going to use on my lower lash and on my upper lash. And here we are almost done with our eye makeup, but there is one thing which really gonna pop up this eye makeup is just add those highlighter on your inner corner of the eyes. See, because of this, it really intensify and really pop up the eye look that you have done. Yeah, not to forget the eyebrow bone. Let's start with the base. So the base I'm just gonna do super quick. For the base, I'm using this MAC concealer. The concealer name is NC42 Studio Finish Concealer. It's an amazing concealer. It gives amazing coverage. So I'm just going to use it on my under eyes, and I'm just going to blend it with a small beauty blender. You can use your brush and blend it, but using a small beauty blender, it will also help blending it really nicely. The more you blend, the more natural it looks. Next, the foundation that I'm using is from PAC. I always use this foundation. I feel like this is very easy, very lightweight, and it emulsifies, blends really well and really quick. The shade that I'm using for my skin tone is 2.5. It's a medium to light skin tone. So yeah, I'm just using it, and again I'm blending with the beauty blender. You can use brush for the same. No, not to forget the neck and your ear as well. Whatever the pending product is there on your beauty blender, just use it on your ears. Yeah, that's how you blend it. Now the most important thing is contouring. For the contouring, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you want to see how to do proper contouring and the base, I have a video which I'm going to link in down in the description box. Since this video is all about smoky eyes, so I've just focused on smoky eyes more than my skin in this video especially. So yeah, here I'm just gonna use the Candice translucent powder. It is from Candice, and I'm using this translucent powder just for the baking of the makeup that you have done. That's it. So you see how contouring is actually changing your face structure. It actually helps you to sculpt your face really well. And yeah, not to forget your nose, your forehead. And here I'm using the blush. I am using from Becca. They have amazing blush and highlighters as well. The highlighter over here that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, from the contour palette. It has amazing shade of highlighter. That's it. Now let's move on to the lips. The lips that I'm going to use is from Nature Republic. They have this nice cute mini packs, and I've got this from Korea though. I'm not able to find it over here, but probably you can find this online. Before applying the lipstick, I'm using this Pro Arte lip liner. I'm gonna link down the shade. It is amazing shade. It is towards nude, darker nude shade. After applying it, on top of it, I'm gonna use the matte finish lipstick, which is from Nature Republic. Whenever you do such intense dark smoky eyes, try to minimalize the lips and try to use very subtle shades for your lips. If your eyes will be also dark, your lips will be also dark. It's gonna look like too much of makeup that you have done. Since we have done contouring also very sharp, that's why I'm just gonna keep my lips little subtle towards nude. And this is the very important step, guys. This is just at the end. I'm just using the brush. There is no product in it. I'm just blending it all over my face. So whatever the product I've applied, the contour and everything has been blended all over properly. So here it is. We are done with the makeup. I hope you really like this video, and if you really do, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.